The voting for the first phase of 18 Lok Sabha election began in 102 constituencies across India at 7 a.m. and ended at 4 p.m. today. In West Khasi Hills district, both first-time and seasoned voters exercised their right to franchise across various constituencies. Long queues were observed at some polling stations, while others experienced smoother voting process. One of the first-time voters said that it is their duty to exercise their right to vote as they are the future of the community. One of the elderly voters said that with the future MP they have chosen, they hope that there will be a change in the state in terms of development and ensuring peace and harmony.
One pun tak bagi wan tak sukses. Về ketika kli jungi bertebut, sama ni kun samlang long kalau we jom kajet berrem.
Ini dan step kumne kumani menta, bak wan dari jungi, ni don hang ni, klem ganu ke jengma, klem ganu ke jeng sengau, pelah dari entau senemi, election nanti compare. Mengenai suatu yang kotor yang tahu mengismat ini mengenai cakap parlimen.
In Ribhoi district, people have come out to cast their